Alright, this is a short video tutorial for the CRUD relational operations on MongoDB. And okay, first you got a couple of additional APIs than what's given in the project. The first one is a GET request with the endpoint API. So what it does is it gives you a set of documents from the collection called meta collection. So what this meta collection does is it stores the schema for each and every collection that is about to be created when we are inserting a new row or updating a row. So normally what we would do is we would define these schemas and models in a file and then load it to a model and use those DAO methods. But the problem with this scenario is you don't really have a static well-defined schema in advance. So each new request is going to change your existing schema. So right now these are the present collections. So first let me clean up the existing meta schema and all other things in the database. So let's send a delete request that's in delete all meta collections, and it cleans up everything. So right now this should display an empty array. Cool. Okay, first let's see what you got. I've done almost every endpoint that was given in the requirement, but having said this is going to be a very short video for 5 minutes. This will be just a quick overview of what I've done, and also I have shared these collections and everything in the GitHub repository, so that should be useful. Okay, first let's create a document, and right now since we have cleaned up everything in the database, you shouldn't be having any documents or records in your MongoDB database. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to create a new record or a new document. So I had saved this initially, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to copy paste this record or info for document and send a post request to API actor. Okay, so let's do this. All right, so now what happens is a new collection with the name actor and with the given information is created, and we should be able to see the meta schema of this collection from API home, which will contain the basic structure of this collection called actor. So let's have a look at it. Okay, so this should show us the new created collection name, that is actor, with its field types. And there is one more feature that I've done for this project, which is that the fields can be dynamically typed. So as of now, I got two types supported. This can be increased in the later versions. So right now it supports string and number. So as it is a MongoDB project, I had to give this ID as number and also had asked for permission for doing this. And in case if you're doing or changing the field to any other data type like number, that should also work. So let's get back to the endpoints testing. So right now we have created our first collection. So let's go to the second one, which is this one, and let me give it a try. So the endpoint is going to be same. I'm just going to copy paste what we had before. So right now I've changed this one, and this is a post request. So this should give us okay. All right. Okay, this is giving us a new inserted document. And so then what we got is, then according to the requirement, the third insertion is this one. So I'm just copy pasting and putting it in the same collection. And This should again give us a new inserted document, which is Ryan Gosling, blah blah blah. Alright, okay. I guess you've done a lot in create documents. Let's try update document. Okay. This was a thing that I had in this one. So let me try sending it. Okay. Right now our 321 the document with ID 321 should contain an additional field which is called Jose. So, okay, let's get all the documents. So this should give us all the documents, and as you see, we got everything here. And this is all about your dynamic collections.